You know that there? Yeah. Well, that must be right. Well,
I'd like to demonstrate my man-powered aircraft, which I've named the Flying Coffin, as my wife thinks that this could be the death of me, which I hope it isn't.
here's hoping.
The ground's a bit uneven.
Go backwards. Looks a bit like the Concorde, you know, doesn't it?
Yes.
Mr. Hesse, what made you decide to build this aeroplane?
Oh, I've had the idea in my mind ever since I was a teenager, and I've just really got round to doing the job now.
And now you've assembled it in your garden, do you think it will take off?
Oh, I've got it at least leaving the ground, but then keeping him in the air is another thing altogether, isn't it?
How will you get it out of the garden?
That's another question, but I'm not afraid the wind might have got it running over the roof.